So I used to use ChatGPT a lot for work, but I pretty much never use it now. There's a new tool that I started using. It's free to use, and it's become one of my favorite and honestly one of the most powerful tools on the internet. It's called NotebookLM. It's from Google. And check this out. Last week, for example, I wanted to learn about an investment. I had 4 PDFs totaling over 100 pages. I just uploaded these 4 PDFs to NotebookLM, and it generated an AI podcast that I listened to on my commute. And I'm not the only one who uses this. Spotify used NotebookLM to power their Spotify Wrapped this year, which had a ton of AI in it. So in this video, I want to show you what NotebookLM is, why I like it, and 13 things you should be doing with NotebookLM to go from beginner to power user and level up your business, your education, your investments, or honestly just your life in general. So to start off, I'm going to show this all in real time on here. We can go to notebooklm.google.com. I can put a link in the description as well. But when you first land here, you just click on a little pop-up, and then you want to make sure you're signed into your Google account. That's how it saves everything in the notebook here, and we can create our first notebook. So just clicking on that, it'll tell you to upload some sources. We already know on ChatGPT or Gemini, for example, you can upload a source and ask some questions about it, and that's very useful. But NotebookLM specifically is designed to interpret a lot of sources, and it can handle a lot of different kinds of sources as well. PDFs, website links, videos, copied text, Google Docs, slideshows, even like markdown documents. A lot of different files can be interpreted here. So if I have like a full audiobook and it's an MP3 file, I can upload that. It'll interpret the entire thing, transcribe it all, and then it'll have answers for me that we'll use later in this video. So you can see we have a bunch right there, up to 50 different sources. I'm going to choose a file right now. So I just selected 3 PDFs that are about investing in timberland, for example. You can upload them, and then what we're able to do, as you can see on the bottom, very simply, like we see on a lot of other LLMs like this, you're able to ask questions. So I could just say like, what are some risks of investing in timberland? Hit enter, and it's going to answer that question.